Okay, so stage 1 and stage 2 have already been complete on this car. It was a fairly straightforward one. The lady could see the water running down the door because the window had needed realigning. So that's all been dealt with. Right, I'm just going to decontaminate it. You sometimes lift the carpet up and it can smell. This water's been under here for quite some time. This will kill all the bacteria, as well as it's an antimicrobial which kills mold. I've already done the entire interior, and it's right up under those carpets, because otherwise all the dry, dirty water will smell. And this is the drying stage of the process, where I'm going to blow hot air under the carpet, because if I don't, it just won't dry, and the car will continue steaming up. There's a powerful blower that's blowing the hot air right through, and I'll have to move this to get it dry. So this bit here will be drying over the next half an hour or so, and then I'll move it around to dry the next bit. Okay, the seat's now back in and it's clean and dry underneath the carpet. So I'm finishing off with a little bit of decontamination, which is one of the most important parts of the process. On this particular car there was mould all over the seat belts and all over the tops of the seats and around the car. Although we've already decontaminated it, I'm just going through a few parts. This machine has got a product in there that's an antimicrobial. Right, so that's the Mini, fixed, decontaminated, dried and ready to go. Another happy customer. So if you've got a water leak or experiencing damp or water running down your windows, don't hesitate to give us a call on 01245 350035 or visit our website on www.newagain.co.uk.